Hello, good people, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I have another 2024 spring outdoor project.
I didn't videotape the making of this, but what I did, I found these it's just round containers from the Dollar Tree, and I purchased two of them. I used my wood burning tool and I split each of those two containers in half so that I could cover this ugly piping that's right here in my yard where I'm going to set up my chairs and a table and just a little area to sit and chill at. So this is the side. And you can see that piping right there. But this just basically covers the front. And then I took some, the purple is a t-shirt that I stripped up or had stripped up some time ago and had it in a bag. And I just wrapped around uh, where each half of the garbage can connected. I was going to use some nautical rope, but me and the teal and purple and my decor out here, I wanted it to match, which the nautical rope would have been okay, but I want to use up some of the material that I have. And then this is just, it's actually, this was a mirror. I had a set of five of these that my daughter-in-law bought me some years ago, different sizes, and I just spray painted it teal and silver, and I went on and spray painted the mirror as well and set this up here, not as a tabletop because this is not strong. This is not very strong. This is just decor just to cover that pipe. So maybe I'll set a candle up here at most, or an ashtray or something like that. And then I don't know, I'm thinking now that I might on these sides use some tulle and connect to the top of that plate and bring it down to the bottom on this side and on this side, perhaps just to cover it completely. I may and I may not. We shall see. I just want to show you what I did. And sorry I didn't do a video on the making of this, but I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how I wanted to do it, and it was trial and error for me. And this is what I came up with. It's gonna work for now. Tell me what you think.
So, if you know me by now, you know I cannot leave well enough alone. So, I took this, I don't know what this material is called, this fabric, it's like origami fabric, and I glued it up on top, and I have these garden staples that I stuck it into the ground on the bottom to cover up each side so that that pipe, well, you can see it over here, but for the most part, it covered it up. And then I just added a little vase up top. I don't know if I'll leave that there or what I'm actually going to do, but this is it so far. And it covered up that eyesore. Tell me what you think. Leave me a comment, please. Hit the like button. And thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Outdoor Projects 2024. Another one down. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.